This video is about coordinating and correlative conjunctions. In this lesson, we'll talk about the mnemonic device, fanboys. We'll look at common correlative conjunctions, when to punctuate, and the different parts you can join with coordinate conjunctions: clauses, subjects, predicates, objects, and complements. So coordinating conjunctions connect like with like. For example, you can connect two clauses together. Susie ran home, but Bill limped onward. I was confused, yet I was intrigued. Those words but and yet are coordinating conjunctions. Here they join together complete sentences. Uma and Jim traveled east. I purchased ham, eggs, and bologna. Here we have two subjects joined by a coordinating conjunction, or three direct objects joined by a coordinating conjunction at the end of this list. Coordinating conjunctions can also connect together adjectives, like my sandwich was meaty and tasty. These are subject complements joined by the coordinating conjunction and. The gorillas, strong and angry, broke through the glass. Same thing there. Amy jumped or fell. It was hard to tell which. Or is a coordinating conjunction joining together a verb with a verb, like with like. One easy way to remember these: the mnemonic device, fanboys. The first letter of each of these, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Those are all of the coordinating conjunctions. So when do we use commas? When we join together clauses, generally we use commas, as in Susie ran home, comma, but Bill limped onward. Or I was confused, comma, yet I was intrigued. With short clauses, you can skip the comma. It's a stylistic choice. But if you're not sure, just generally don't, and that's a pretty safe way to go. We also use commas when we have items in a series. We're talking about three or more. These might be direct objects, or they might be verbs, or a number of other different types of things you can join together in series. There is a coordinating conjunction at the end, it's the word and between each item we stick a comma. Every other use of coordinating conjunctions, no comma. So for two subjects, for two complements, for two adjectives, and this last one is where many students go wrong. They want to put a comma here, but the reason why you can't is we have one subject and we have a compound predicate. Everything that follows is not a complete sentence, so here no comma is required. Then there are correlative conjunctions. They're just like coordinating conjunctions, but they come in pairs, much like relatives do. Common examples include either or, neither nor, not only but also, as, so, not, but. Here's some examples used in sentences. Either go big or go home. They stole not only the TV, but also the satellite dish. Flowers are restful to look at. They have neither emotions nor conflicts. It is not death, but dying, which is terrible. The potential for mistakes exists here because we see the words like or, but, nor, or but, and we think those are one of the fanboys, and that's true. But they come in pairs. So if you are keeping an eye out for the other part that makes it a correlative conjunction, then you can avoid that mistake.